How to disable Snapchat calls. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to disable the Snapchat calls, first of all, what you need to do is make a long press on the Snapchat application. Then tap on the app info option. So this will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see different options. So let's scroll down and tap on the options of app permissions. Here, clearly tap on the contacts options and tap on don't allow. Tap on the option of files and media and then tap on don't allow again. Tap on the option of phone and tap on don't allow. So when you do this, what happens is you cannot get any sort of Snapchat calls from any of the profiles. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.